I am the ocean speaking. I cover 71% of Earth's surface. I consist of the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Antarctic, and Arctic oceans. Approximately 361 lakh square kilometers, 139 lakh square miles, is covered by my saline seawater. My total volume is approximately 1.35 billion cubic kilometers. And my average depth is approximately 3,700 meters, 12,100 feet. Nearly 230,000 known and over 2 million unknown species live within me. Humans have explored only 5% of me till now. Earth's longest mountain range, the mid-ocean ridge, stretching to around 65,000 kilometers, lies beneath me. Nearly 70% of our planet's oxygen is produced by marine plants living within me, the ocean. Can you believe there are lakes and rivers flowing within me? Around 50% of the United States lies underneath me, the ocean. Note a simple hypothetical question. What will happen if all humans sit in the ocean at the same time? Nothing much. The sea level will increase by just 0.00012 of an inch. And you humans are just a drop in me, the ocean. Okay, இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்திருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon, choose the all options, and support me, encourage me, and motivate me for all my efforts. Till we meet again, take care, bye bye, thank you.